Hello, my name is Tawan. I'm 15 years old. This is my family. Father? Hello. Mother?
Hi.
Sisters?
Nice to meet you.
And brother?
Hello.
He is really witty and humorous. He makes good atmosphere in my house. I think he will do well in America too.
I do like to play soccer with my friends and travel with my family. My hobby is to play the guitar and watch the movies. I'm looking forward to seeing new family in United States. I want to get along well with people there.
Please take good care of my brother.
Bye.
Bye.